Okay, how are you doing, traders? So it has been 2 weeks consecutively. I have not shared weekend analysis, so today I've got some time, and actually now I'm going to share a weekend analysis, and this is a projection of the market from 21st of November to 25th of November. So actually now the past 2 weeks there were several things there that caused me not to share the analysis. First of all, actually I was busy. I was just traveling to different places, so I didn't settled maybe to have that clear projection of the market, and also the market was in a certain movement that was complicated, at least. So sometimes maybe you can expect a certain formations, then after some time you find that market was not obeying to those formations. So if market is moving different from what I expect, always I don't provide projections because I'm going to mislead people. So now at least I'm in a clear picture of the market, so I've got a clear picture of the market for the coming week, so we can start at least in a monthly time frame to see what is exactly expected to happen there, or what has happened, because mostly we use what has happened to project what is expected to happen and to happen next. So basically we see a powerful bullish current month candle. So now market in this month has pushed up very strongly, and it now undergoing certain rejections there. So we are still in the middle of the month, so we cannot have that clear picture of maybe this monthly candle is going to close bullish, strongly bullish, or sometimes the sellers may come in and turn things on the other way. So but for now we still see a bullish momentum, and actually if you roughly project a trend line there, you see a trend line on the top there. So price was trending down there. You will find that now this bullish candle has broken that particular trend line that we expect there. So in lower time frames I will show exactly what that trend line I'm talking about. And then going to weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, the same thing we see. 2 weeks consecutively market was pushing up, and now even the past week was very powerfully bullish, and now the current week has opened by now a selling momentum. So how far that selling momentum is going to take, maybe how far it's going to move, so basically we'll see the things in lower time frame. So here clearly you can see, if you develop a trend line there, trend line has been broken. So the current movement to the downside is roughly, and it is roughly expected to be a retest to that broken particular broken trend line. So we can expect that thing to happen. Then moving to daily time frame. So I'm going a little bit quick in order to at least have a very short video. So now in a daily time frame, what we see there is we're talking about those bottoms. So we have 3 bottoms now, the triple bottoms. So market has bounced this several times there. You see, even when we go back to weekly time frame, you will see triple rejections, you see. So it shows clearly that in this region there are buyers. So whenever sellers push price around this region, so buyers came in. So basically those triple rejections, and then moving to daily, the triple bottoms, actually they are powerfully rejecting price to the upside. And even currently we see price has successfully formed a new high. You see, we had this high, so this high has been broken, so price is moving above the previous swing high. So we have a new high higher now. It is just moving up, so that is what's expected. So this current movement to the downside, roughly we have to expect, you see those things there. So we have this level broken, so now this current move to the downside is most likely to be expected moving to around those broken levels there, because this level was resisting previously. So now it may support the price, then the price may keep on moving to the upside. So this is just a rough estimation in projection in what to call a daily time frame. So moving to 4-hour time frame. Now in 4-hour time frame we see the same thing there, the double bottoms, now the triple bottoms, and then the price is trending to the upside. You see now the current movement here is just trending to the upside. So this movement here is going to be correction. So I can incorporate the wave counts there, maybe turning on my wave counts. Now you'll see my projection there. So price moved down, and actually now you can see now clearly here. Now price was moving down, and the final movement to the downside there, now it took a form of diagonal. So now this seems to be an ending diagonal of the 5th wave of wave C of the 4th wave. Now because we have got the things there down, we have got the things down there. Now we have the 4th wave, we have wave C, so this is the 5th. So this diagonal, now the 1, 2, 3, for 5 to the downside. Now this diagonal is an ending diagonal of wave, and now ending diagonal in the 5th wave of wave C of the 4th wave. So we expect the 4th wave was completed there. Now in higher time frames you will understand this 4th wave. So now this movement to the upside is just the first. Now this 5 wave move to the upside, it's just wave 1 of the 5th wave. So now if price has completed the 5th wave there around that area, so we expect that now this current movement to the downside is correction. That is going to correct this previous movement to upside. So you can just put things or incorporate things like Fibonacci. So you can put the Fibonacci tool there like this. Now the Fibonacci thing, you drag in that way. So we expect the price to move to around areas of 50, sometimes may go to 61, or it may go as deeper as 70-80%. So now we'll be looking for formation now. We expect this movement to the downside to be an ABC to the downside. So if it is going to be an ABC, now after A has been formed, then and B, when B is also formed, so we'll be able to trade this movement to the downside. But this one is not going to happen next week. So for next week, we have to watch for this. Now, completion of this move to the downside, then yeah, of course, it may be that one. This movement to the upside may not happen in the coming week now. This movement to the upside may not happen in the coming week. So mostly we have to watch this move to the downside. Yes, even this one is possible to happen. Then now in the coming weeks also we can have the other movements there. So the best place to trade next week is just looking for sell trades. Look for sell trades now to around the area of 1710. 1710.8 now. It is 8 or 45 or anything else there. So you have to watch the sells there. Then after reaching that position, price will be bouncing to the upside. So we'll look for clear formation of this movement to the upside, and then finally we can push with this strong move to the downside if now it will be based on the formation in this previous move. So those are my projections, and remember we are approaching December, and actually market is not that clear on December. Now it is mostly providing those formations that are not respected. So maybe you can provide project price, maybe it's going to move in this way, but now price is going to move differently. So that is also possible on December. That's why we don't trade on December, and that's why we have launched a training. So this December actually we are going to have training, and also on January. So training are going to start tomorrow. I mean, no, today, it is today now, 20th. Now it is just 20th of November up to 29th of January. Always those are the training weeks. So we have several weeks there for training. So we are doing so because we cannot concentrate with the trading during December and the early January. So thank you for your time. Make sure that you like this video, you put a comment, and also if maybe you think it's very helpful, you can share it to someone who you think is going to help. And also subscribe. If it's just your first time you are visiting this channel, make sure that you subscribe, because we provide many updates now several times. So thank you for your time and have a great day.